Here I will be choosing this blurry photo. Click open, wait for a while, and it's done. Now you just save the picture, that's it. Hi guys, welcome to Lazy Life Hack. So you have a blurry photo that you want to make it sharp. Even with Photoshop, it's quite hard to do it, but with the help of AI, you can do it with just a click away. Introducing photorestore.io. You can go to this website using any browser. So photorestore.io is a free AI photo restoration tool. As shown here, it's a free website, completely free to use. Here you can restore photo, increase image quality, remove background from image, increase image resolution, and colorize black and white photo. So let's test out the restore photo first. You click the restore photos, then you click upload an image. Here I will be choosing this blurry photo. Click open, wait for a while, and it's done. Now you just save the picture, that's it. So it's very user friendly, no need to register or log in. Simple 3 steps, click, choose photo and restore. Take only a few seconds to do it, save tons of editing time. And no limitation on how many you can do per day. And you can also click this side-by-side compare to see the difference. You can see that this original blurry photo becomes sharper. Now let's try the second one, increase image quality. So we click upload new photo, click increase image quality. We upload photo again. I use photo 2 here. Well, as you can see, increase image quality and restore photos does almost the same job, but I think increase image quality does a better job here. Third one is remove background from image. So we click upload new photo, then we go to remove background from image, upload an image. We use photo 3 here, open. So remove background from image is nothing new, it's just removing the background. So we just have to see how good it can remove it. Well, it's not bad, it can be better, but acceptable I guess. So next one is increase image resolution. So this one is like making the image become higher resolution. So upload new photo, we go to increase image resolution, upload an image. We choose photo 3 again, open this. So this is the new one, we download this photo. So this is a comparison between the old one and the new one. The original one is 226, the new one is 3 MB. If we check out at the dimension, it is 618 by 714. The new dimension is now 1760 by 2048 pixel. But you can see the quality is a little bit like cartoon brush. So the last one is colorizing photo. We upload an image, choose this black and white photo and open. This black and white colorizing become quite popular lately. Now almost all the photo apps have it. Well, it does an okay job but not very fantastic. I've seen a better one. Alright, so we have tested all. I think photorestore.io is a very good website where you can restore your photo in a few clicks. It is good enough to use for digital and web, but it is not really recommended for prints. I hope this video helped you work smarter. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I will post more video on how to use AI efficiently. Also please check out my previous videos and I'll see you again. Bye.